Alright, in this part of the video, let's talk about how to delete your Exness account. Now, there's something important you need to know right away. Exness does not allow you to permanently delete a trading account from your side. What you can do yourself is archive the account so it disappears from your dashboard and can no longer be used to log in or trade. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Exness personal area using your registered email and password. Once you're inside, you'll see all your trading accounts listed on your dashboard. Find the specific account you want to remove. On the right side of that account, you'll see a gear icon. Click that and then select Archive Account. Once the account is archived, it will no longer show up in your active accounts list, and you won't be able to deposit into it or log into that account in MetaTrader anymore. It's basically disabled. But here's the thing. Archived accounts can be brought back at any time. If you ever want to use it again, go to the Archived section inside your personal area, find the account you archived, and click Reactivate. The account will instantly return to your dashboard, and you can trade with it again like normal. Now, if your goal is to permanently delete the account so that it can't be restored anymore, you will need to contact Exness support directly. You can message them through live chat or email. Just tell them you want to permanently delete the trading account, and they'll process the request for you. Before you request permanent deletion, make sure of two things: withdraw any remaining balance from the account and close all open trades. If there are open positions or funds inside, the deletion request will not go through. So, to summarize, you can hide or archive from your dashboard by yourself, but for a full permanent deletion, you must contact Exness support and request it manually, and that's how you delete your Exness account the right way.